Hello students, before starting our exercise 4.3, let us understand what is an angle. What do you mean by angle? When two rays having a common end point form an angle. Look here, here is your one ray, here is your common point, this is your one ray and this is your second ray. When two rays having a common end point, it is called an angle. And these rays, this is also called an arms or side. And the common end point is called vertex. These angles can be denoted like, suppose I give a name A, B, C. So, you can write angle, this is a symbol of an angle, angle A, B, C. This angle is denoted like this with this symbol. Now, if I point out here, students, you should always remember that vertex is always written as a middle letter. Look here, here also I have written B is a vertex and I have written it in the middle. You can also write for angle B. It can named like this also. Now, if I put here any point, suppose point P, then it is called interior point of an angle. And if I write here point Q, it is called exterior point. Now students, let's go on our exercise 4.3. Question number 1. Name the angles in the given figure. Look here students, here one figure is given A, B, C, D. Now you have to name these angles. So first of all, we'll start from here. This is our one angle. Can you see here? This is a common point and these are the two arms of an angle. So you can write here as angle DAB. Angle DAB. Now our next angle is here. We can point out this. So we can write angle ABC. Here this vertex common point I am writing as a middle letter. Angle ABC. Next angle is our C. Angle C. That is angle BCD. Angle BCD. And this is our fourth angle. Angle CDA. Angle CDA. So, these are the four names of an angle. Now, question number 2. In the given diagram, name the points. Now, first one. Here is a given diagram. In the interior of DOE. Here is our angle DOE. Which point lies in the interior A. So we write here point A. In the exterior of EOF. Which point lies in the exterior of EOF? Point C. So we can write here C. On EOF. Our angle EOF. Which point lies on angle EOF? Point B. So write here B. Now we will go to our question number 3. Exercise 4.3. Question number 3. Draw rough diagrams of two angles such that they have. Now students, Here are some questions which lies on this diagram. You have to draw roughly two angles in such a way that 1 point in common, 2 points in common, 3 points in common, 4 points in common and 1 ray in common. In such a way you have to draw the two diagrams and you have to put that common point. Now first one, 1 point in common. Here I had drawn rough diagram of two angles. Here is your angle COD. Look here, here I had drawn this angle. This is your angle COD and angle AOB means this angle. These are the two angles which has one common point, that is O. O is a common point between COD and AOB. You have to write down this symbol of angle. Don't forget to write down this symbol of angle. Now our second, B. 2 points in common. Now here also you have to draw a rough diagram of two angles which has 2 points in common. Look here. Here I had drawn one rough sketch, rough diagram of two angles. Here angle AOB, here is a one angle AOB and angle COB, this is a second angle. Here are the two angles with two common points. Which are the two common points? Here O is one common point and B is other common point of these two angles. Now let's move to our C. 3 points in common. Here also you have to draw two angles. Here is, I had drawn two angles. One angle is angle AOB and BOC. Can you see here? Which are the three common points in these two angles? This is a one angle and this is a other angle. And here your common point is O, E and P. These are the three common points between AOB and BOC. Now we will continue this question with our D part and E part. Question number 3, D part. 4 points in common. Children, here I had drawn two angles, angle BOA and angle COA. Here is the two angles BOA, this is a one angle and COA is your second angle. These are the two angles with 4 common points. Here, which are your common points? Here is one point is O, E, D and A. Like this way you can draw the rough diagram with 4 common points. Now E, one ray in common. Here you have not to show points in common. Only one ray should be common between two angles. Come on children. Here is this a common ray? No. Is this a common ray? OA is common ray? No. And OC is common ray? Yes. Here is a one angle BOC and this is your second angle, that is AOC. These both the angles have common ray OC. Children, don't forget to put the symbol of ray. So, we had completed exercise 4.3. Now, let me give a basic knowledge of triangles. Children, you all are aware of triangles. Triangles is, you know, whenever anybody speaks about triangle, the same figure came in your mind. A triangle is a polygon. See, it is a closed figure and made up of line segments. So, it is a polygon. A triangle is a polygon having 3 sides. This is a one side, This is your second side and this is your third side. And how many vertices are there? 3 vertices. Vertices here is, suppose A, give the name A. This is your B and here is your C. Now ABC is a triangle, but you cannot write like this triangle ABC. You have to write it in symbol. You have to write, this is your symbol for the triangle symbol. Now this is, you can call it triangle A, B and C. And here now can you identify the side of a triangle? Here is, this triangle is made up of side, line segment AB, line segment BC and line segment AC or CA. These are the 3 line segments in which triangle is made up of, and it is made up of points. Points is A, B and C, to which we can call it as vertex or vertices. Now, interior and exterior of a triangle. Suppose I put a point P inside the triangle, it is called interior. If I put here point Q which lies outside the triangle, it is called exterior. And if I put a point R on the triangle, then it is called, on the point R on the triangle. Now we will move to our next exercise 4.4.